Welcome to the Renewal Setup and Printing tutorial. In this tutorial, you will be shown how to enter your annual contracts and renewals in PestPack, as well as how to print renewal notices. In PestPack, a renewal is to be used for any service that must be pre-billed or contracted for before the service can be scheduled for the customer. Before adding your first renewal, you'll want to review your company's renewal settings. Select Company Setup from your company menu. Scroll down to the area labeled Renewal Options. If your company requires customers to prepay renewals before scheduling their service, check the Prompt for Renewal Prepayment option along with the two options shown below it. On the right-hand side of the menu, you can set the default number of months before a renewal is due and the number of months before the contract expires and a booster service is required. After making changes, remember to click the Save button at the top of the screen. To begin adding a new renewal, click the New Renewal link on the customer's location detail screen. This will bring you to the Add Renewal screen. On this screen, specify the service code and the price for the renewal service to be performed each year. Enter the start date to indicate when this contract becomes effective. The renewal date and expiration date fields will automatically fill in, based on the number of months you entered in the renewal options. If your company performs price increases at predetermined intervals, a price increase date can be entered. You can also specify if this customer's renewal notice should be printed, emailed, or both. In the Renewal Service Order area, you can select the time range for re-inspection and indicate which technician will be responsible for performing service. After you enter all of the renewal information, click Add at the top of the screen. The new renewal now appears in yellow on the customer's location detail screen. Once all of your renewals have been added, you will be ready to begin printing your renewal notices. Select Printer Setup in your company menu. Scroll down to the area labeled Renewal Defaults to select the type of forms you'll be using for your renewal notices. You can also choose the information you would like to print on your renewal notices, such as the contract start date, the service that will be performed, the renewal date, and the renewal amount. If your company uses 8.5 by 11 inch forms, you can provide customers with a printed receipt that can be torn off the bottom of the page and returned to you with the customer's payment. You may compose a short message to appear on the renewal notice, or choose a message from your letters or postcards lookup tables. Remember to click Save at the top of the screen after making changes to your printer settings. You are now ready to begin creating your customer renewal list using the location search and list management features in PestPack. On the location search screen, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Advanced Search link. This will open a new section with additional search criteria that you'll be using to create your customer renewal list. Enter any optional criteria such as service code, service class, or division. In the beginning and ending renewal date fields, enter the date range for the renewals being added to your list. By using an entire year's range in your search criteria, you'll eliminate the need to maintain multiple renewal lists, instead having all of your renewal customers consolidated into one list that can be modified throughout the year. After entering your search criteria, click the Search button at the top of the screen. The Advanced Search Results screen will appear, showing all of the customer accounts that matched your search criteria. Click the Add to List button at the top of the screen and give the list an appropriate name. After clicking OK, the Customer List Management screen will be displayed. You can resort the list using the Sort By drop-down menu or delete any customer from this list by clicking on the check mark next to the account name. When you are ready to print, click the Print button and you'll have the option of choosing what type of report or form you would like to print. Select the Renewal Notice option. You may now specify a shorter time range for printing the renewal notices. The default message and letter that you selected earlier on the Printer Setup page will appear here and can be edited or removed. Click Display to preview the renewal notices and then Print to send this batch to your printer. If the Log Mailing option is checked at the bottom of the screen, a record of this notice will be kept in each customer's Documents section. This concludes the renewal setup and printing tutorial. After completing this course, it is recommended that you view the Renewal Payment Posting tutorial. Thank you.